From the 22nd of the second month of 1444. The spark is red, the scales are black, the eyes and beak are white, and the skin is green. The power of the state compels you. The power of us shall not be repelled through and through. Behemoth is controlled by real opposition. Leviathan is ensouled by living the idealized positions. Beyond cause is becoming last served among those who choose kingdom over nature. Withheld and set free is the self-controlled creature. And as a side note, I was saying that in 2022, the 25th of September was the darkest point of the moon, and then it becomes waxing. And those who don't follow the biblical injunction to wait for the light of the crescent to be seen, that is the Jewish New Year, as it's called, the head of the year, which is not in the first month, which is a weird thing, but there's actually like 5 Jewish New Years in a sense. But it's a good time to get in touch with the Palestinian current, because Parashtum is wallowers for the mother demon, Tiamat. So, you know, like the female Satan. It's not what those people were really called in ancient times, but people look to the Jewish sources first. And the fall equinox occurred on the 25th of the lunar month. So that's interesting enough. But I have a bunch of stone eggs. Not as many as I want, obviously, but, you know, it was never a priority to, you know, spend too much on. But I did think that was an interesting form of things in that sense. So you may want to use a stone to meditate with amongst this.